In today's video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to unblock someone on WhatsApp, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android or a Samsung phone. So if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. It really supports the channel. So the first and fastest way to unblock someone is directly through your chat with them. So open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the person you blocked. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an unblock button. Tap unblock and you are done. You can also tap their name at the top of the chat. Scroll down and you will find the unblock option there as well. The second method lets you see every person you have ever blocked on WhatsApp. Tap settings at the bottom right of the app and tap the three dots in the top right or open the side menu. Then select setting. Now once you are in settings, tap privacy, scroll down and select blocked contacts. You will now see your entire block list. Tap edit or use the unblock icon next to the person's name. Confirm your choice and they will be removed from your blocked list instantly. So those are the two quickest way to unblock someone on WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.